Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Simone, and for today's video she is creating this frozen butterfly face paint. So if you want to know how to create this, please keep watching. This design is created with split cakes by Diamond FX. The first one is Captain Obvious, which has blue colors in it to create a frozen feel to it, of course. And with some simple brush strokes, Simone creates the outside of the butterfly. So it is a symmetrical design, do the same thing on both sides of the face. We also color the eyes with the Captain Obvious colors. And under the eyes there are a few brush strokes as well. On to the second split cake. This one is called Monsoon. It is also a split cake by Diamond FX, and the difference with the Captain Obvious is that there is a bit of purple in this one. And Simone creates the second layer of the butterfly using this split cake. Some self-made bling with a lovely Elsa in the center of it. And then we continue to white. This is also by Diamond FX to create some snow effect. So it's basically just dots to create that snow. A few teardrops. The rest of our butterfly body. Of course we need some stars as well. A few extra teardrops. A lovely pink lipstick by Superstar. This is just a water-based face paint. And with that, our frozen butterfly design for today is finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all our videos.